Create a new project to discuss the observable objects in SwiftUI. So let's go. Create. All right. Okay. So this is an empty project. Let's create two structs. Struct phone and phone. So her model string price var is available, var color and release date. Okay, model var brand, var var brand. So let's see, var brand. Now let's here, so form text field. So sorry. Now text field price stand. Sorry. And let's add state object state private for phone. Okay, so we will date. Now let's see model. So phone model, and then brand, then color, then price, and then okay, so then release date. So all right. Okay, now button, we'll add a single button here. So button. Okay, here let's add state private var show phone details. Okay, so let's add dot navigation destination so is present here, so is present here, string show details. And another thing is, let's see, so let's create another view called phone details view. So new file from template, SwiftUI view, and phone details view view. Okay, now let's add something here as well. So for example, var phone phone. Okay, and here we'll add vstack vstack text phone details font large title dot padding dot bold. So bold, and here large, it becomes very large. Okay, now let's see, so text model format model, and then brand color, and then price, and then available. Okay, so for now these all are good. Now let's remove this. No, we don't need to remove. So we use the phone, not the phone. smaller. So okay, and there we making with this. Okay, so let's go to content view. So what we'll do is here phone details view, phone details view, phone, 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 sorry, phone. So what we are doing is, so let's navigation stack, navigation stack, and then stack. Okay, so whatever change we do is 16 pro and price, for example. Okay, so available, okay, and save. So generally it should go there, but it's not going because we didn't call anything. So now it should work. So let's change the price to, and here 16 clock. Now let's save. Yes, you can see the price updated and this thing as well. Now we will want, so here what we did is, here we have phone variable and we passed this phone variable here. So what about if we need customer property here? So let's extract another thing called struct customer and protocol identifiable, and then var id. Okay, so name, email, phone number, and then var address. So these are enough. Another thing you can see var purchase date. So purchase date. All right. So let's be okay. So it will be ready. So string. Okay. String assigning some default value. Okay. So date. Okay. So date. Okay. Now we are creating another state private web customer. Okay. So let's add these fields here. So what happened? Cannot. Okay, so address, right. Okay, so let's add some fields. Text, customer info, customer info. Not needed. Let's delete text fields. Text field, customer name, then customer email, then customer phone number, and then customer address, and then purchase date. So purchase date, and here customer name, customer email, customer phone number, customer address. So for example, we passed already phone. Now we want here, suppose we want here, we need customers too, and we are not satisfied with only phone info, and we need now customer. So now let's add it customer. Okay, so here also we need to add customer. So customer, and here customer, and yes, mail. Okay, okay, so good. Now we want to show the customer's info here as well. Text, release date, and then text customer details. Okay, then text name, then text So here is text, then text phone number, and then text address and text. Okay, so this formatter, it's formatter dot. So let's remove these dates and make it, let's make it simple. Okay, now so what we need to do if we want to pass the customer variable here, we need to pass the customer. Okay, so let's check customer name. So here let's update price and 16 pro and customer name with and customer gmail.com and phone number something and address some address. Okay, so if you say yes, customer details is showing here, but here we need only two variables, only two objects. So we used to pass this variable like this. But what about if we have more variables, for example, var, var variable, for example, my favorites, then string, and uh, for example there can be hundred of variables, then we will we add like this, comma and hundred of variables in this way, can we add like this? And if we add, this will be a very bad practice and this will not be a good practice, right? So let's create an observable object right now. Let new empty file and let's view model the swift. So vm.swift. Now import foundation now plus mm, phone view model object. Now let's publish var phone this for customer is equal to phone and customer is equal to customer. So let's alright, so we initiated these two variables and objects here, right, in a view model. Now let's go to content view and let's remove these two things and let's add state object private var view model. Okay, so and now let's make it like on view model and paste it, and again here do all this and do this and do this and do this as well, and yeah, the same here and same here, paste string customer, so customer number now same here and so all right, and this will work. Now let's go there and let's remove these things as well. And now let's use environment object var view model from view model. Okay. Okay, now from view model. So from view model, let's details. So from view model. So let's typo. Okay. Now content view, and here let's show the typo. Alright. So now we don't have to pass the 100 variables like this, and we declared the needed necessary variables here, and we can also declare more 500, 400, 100 variables as we need in this view model, and we can simply send as environment object, and then here we are passing the observe observable object. So now it will work the same, and the code remains perfect. Now code remains efficient and reduced. Now let's see view model from view model. So from view model, and then from view model dot phone dot color, and then phone view model dot phone dot price, and then phone view model dot phone dot available. Same here, phone view model dot customer, and phone view model. Okay, and phone view model customer. All right. Okay, and here we don't need these things because we removed this hardcode and environment object phone view model. Yes, phone view model. Good. So here you see our code is much, and our code is much optimized now, and we used we got help of environment object, and we used the observable object. So phone view model here, right? So there is a lot of things, and let's test the program. Okay, so let's change iPhone 16 Pro and price, for example, available, and let's make it not available. Customer name with email shall be the rate of iOS test. Phone number, let's see, test address, and then save. Yes, you can see the information we saved here. They are appearing available. No. Okay, so there is much more things about observable object, and they are coming in next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.